Hey, what's going on, my real estate homies? I am the Rook, and here's your 2 minutes of tech. Let's talk about HomeSnap real estate. What is HomeSnap? Well, HomeSnap is for the iPhone and the iPad. Now it's coming soon for Android, so patience. And BlackBerry, so what does this thing do? Well, I tell you what, let's talk about how easy it is. Basically, you take out your device, you point it at a house, you take a picture, and guess what? You're going to find out everything there is to know about that house. How much they paid for it, what schools are attached to it, how much did similar homes like this sell for. I mean, God, anything you want. And it's all based upon GPS and picture. Ooh, now that's kind of cool. Utilize technology today to give you just so much more information. So how are you going to look as a real estate professional if they ask you a question about any kind of house for you to build? Take out your phone or your iPad, take a picture of it, and let them know everything about it, even though it's not an MLS. That is just crazy good. Now, here's an amazing thing that goes along with this, is that every picture you take, it saves and automatically updates the information. What? It's automatic. Come on. Go get it. Go get it right now. How much is it? It is absolutely free. Go get it. Go, go, go. What? Go. Oh, come on now. Just go get it. It's one of those cool apps that you just gotta have. And why do you need to know about it? Because your clients might know about it. And for them to know about a real estate application and you don't, don't want to be in the car when that happens. So learn about it. If you want more information, you can check out the description down below. If you've been using HomeSnap real estate in your business and how it works with your clients, I'd love to hear about that. We got a comment section down below and let me know what you think. But that's all I got for now. Don't forget that this is a game of life. Make your move.